So next up, it asks us the sine, cosine, and tangent function, whether they're odd or even. So you could have preliminary knowledge, and you can just say that that the sine function is I think the sine function is odd. The cosine function is even, which makes the tangent function the odd. So, but if you want, you could derive them using like basic trig identities, and also I think using negative trig identities, and also the concept of odd and even function. So let's just write down the concept of odd and even function. So for even functions, f of x is equals just to f of negative x is equals to f of x. And for odd functions, f of negative x is equals to negative f of x. Also, we need a few other identities for like trigonometry. So what we do need is that sine of x is equals to, or I guess we don't even need to know about the odd and even functions, because we already know from the negative trig identities, or I guess no, we do need to know that about them. Sorry, my fault. But from the negative trig identities, the negative trig identities, we know that the sine of x is equal to negative sine of x, and the cos of negative x, or the cos of x is equals to the cos of negative x. The cos of x is equals to the cos of negative x, and the tan of negative x is equals to, the sine of negative x is equals to negative sine of x, and tan of negative x is equals to negative tan of x. So from here, we can already see that the sine of negative x, the sine of, which is the function of negative x, or the sine of negative x is equals to negative sine of x, negative sine of x. So sine is odd. And the cos of x is equals to cos of negative x. Cos of x is equals to cos of negative x. So cos is even. And the tan of negative x is equals to negative tan of x. So tan is also odd. And that's our answer. So our sine function is odd, so is our tangent function, but our cosine function is even. You can also see this by graphing them, but I'll just not do it for you. So let's see. Yes, sine is odd, cosine is even, and tangent is odd. So the solution is correct. Let's see, the solution is correct. Good job. Nice. Let me check the time. Oh, we are pretty much done for our live stream. So this is probably the last question that we're going to cover. So thank you for coming to OneClass live stream tonight. I hope you enjoyed our problem solving session. If you liked our videos, please hit the subscribe button down below, and I hope to see you in my future live streams. And have a great night, or I guess have a great day, depending on which time zone you're in. So I guess I'll just see you for now. Bye-bye.